guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be learning how to make the donut hair bun at home. It's very simple and it can save you some money. So guys, watch how I do it and learn. So the first thing we are going to be making use of is the socks. I'm making use of 2 socks and a scissors. If you want to buy a black socks, if you have a black socks, you can make use of it. So the first thing to do is to cut out the close part of the socks. Okay, cut out the close part of the socks like you see me doing in the video. It's very simple.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope.
So when you cut out the close part, you're going to be having 2 openings, okay, from the end at the beginning, and all you have to do is fold it all the way down. Continue folding the way you see me doing in the video. Guys, please watch and learn. Thank you, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you are watching my video for the first time.
You can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah. Go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.